the item to make the water flow into the bathtub. Please turn off the faucet to save water. The puppy is so clean after the bath. Taking care of the puppy will make it grow faster. The puppy is sleepy. Take it to bed. Getting enough sleep can help the puppy grow faster. Wow, the puppy is growing up. Measure the puppy to see how tall it is. 15 centimeters. Wow, the puppy has grown taller. The puppy is hungry and puppy has hid itself. Let's find out where it is. Is puppy hiding here? Where is puppy? Where is puppy hiding this time? Puppy has hid itself. Let's find out where it is. This is just a puppy toy. Let's keep looking for the puppy. This is just a puppy toy. Let's keep looking for the puppy. Where is puppy hiding this time? Puppy has hid itself. Let's find out where it is. Huh? I'm so good at this! I'm the hide-and-seek champion! Good job! Please have a lucky draw for the treasure. Wow! You've won so many coins! The puppy is hungry and wants to eat something delicious. Tomato. Stir-fried tomato and scrambled eggs. I need your help. School is about to start. Please help me buy some new stationery. Remember to pay after buying things. Thank you for your help. Can you do me a favor? I lost something at the beach. Can you help me find them? We need to find these items. The lost items are buried under the flags. Drag the dog under the flag to look for the lost items. All the things have been found. Could you send them back to my home for me?